Hey guys, welcome back to What Would Dare You Wear, where style meets comfort. Today's video is all about body type. This is going to be your advanced guide on how to dress for your body type. And chances are, if you were to Google body types, you probably see about 12 or more. Because honestly, there are so many different body types, but I'm gonna be talking about 5 in today's video. So I'm gonna share ways that you can dress for each body type and things for you to avoid. And this should be super helpful, and let's get right into it. All right, so the first body type that we're gonna talk about is the hourglass body type. It is when the bust and the waist are almost equal to size with a narrow waist. So just think about the hourglass figure, all right? How does it feel to be God's favorite if you have an hourglass figure? I know I aspire to have an hourglass figure, but bro, when it comes to the sweets, I'm out here. But the plus side to having an hourglass figure is that you can pretty much wear it all. So the best clothes to wear when you have an hourglass figure are A-line dresses and form-fitting clothing, all right? Because you want to accentuate those assets that you have, okay? No pun intended. And clothing with cinched waists to show your figure off. So even though you can pretty much wear it all with the hourglass body type, it's best that you stay away from loose fitting tops and bottoms because it really does not accentuate your assets at all. It literally just will drown you in clothing, and that's not the goal. So form-fitting clothing, A-line dresses, things with where the waist is already cinched in will definitely have you out here looking snatched. So those are some tips that I have for folks who have the hourglass body type. All right, so the second body type is the apple body type. It's where your upper body is heavier in comparison to your lower body. All right, so it's best for you to wear items that show off your legs because those are your assets, okay? Printed dresses, pattern jackets are super helpful to shift the focus, and to wear flared or palazzo pants that create balance within your body type. So those are 2 tips. Definitely wanting to accentuate your legs, those are your assets, and then wearing printed or pattern jackets and dresses, and then also just making sure you're wearing something that maybe flares out and that has some type of print. Another option would be to wear monochromatic looks or dark colors. Those are definitely some options when it comes to the apple body type. Things to avoid are form-fitting dresses and tops with skinny jeans. All right, so we don't want to do that. We don't want it to really accentuate, really bring to the forefront that the proportions are a little different, where your upper body is a little heavier. Definitely avoid form-fitting dresses and tops with skinny jeans. All right, so the pear body type is basically the opposite of the apple body type, where your hips, butt, and thighs are bigger than the upper half of your body. Now, the plus side to being a pear-shaped person is that you can create an illusion of having an hourglass shape if you style your clothing correctly. The best clothes for pear shapes are wide leg jeans, A-line dresses, and skirts. Skinny jeans and loose tops create an illusion, and you should wear crop tops, which your girl loves a crop top, a V-neck or a deep V that can balance out the bottom half. It's best to avoid form-fitting tops and loose bottoms because it doesn't give you any dimension or shape. It kind of really hides your shape in general, so we don't want to do that. So definitely avoid form-fitting tops and loose bottoms, and focus on A-line dresses, skirts, wide leg jeans, and then loose tops to create the hourglass illusion. All right, so the fourth body type that I'm going to talk about is the rectangle straight body type. It is well balanced from the shoulders to the hips, and it's similar to the hourglass body type, except it doesn't have the well-defined waist. With the rectangle or straight body type, your arms and your legs are your assets. All right, so we're going to accentuate those arms and legs, and it's best to accentuate your upper body with layered sleeveless or strapless tops, and then your best clothes to wear are like blazers and long jackets. Okay, can you just imagine if you are someone who is straight up and down? Like, that's literally how you could say it simply. Like, I've seen it on women who are shaped this way wearing long jackets. It just looks so good on them, you know? Like, it's not like it's too much or too heavy because their shoulders are broader or their bottom half is bigger, and it does, you know, the jackets just look a little too much on them. So Definitely buy these type of items, blazers, long jackets, and then accentuating your top half with sleeveless, strapless tops are perfect for the straight rectangle body type. So the last and final body type that I'm going to talk about is the inverted triangle body type. It's the most athletic build of the body types, and the shoulders are broader than the hips. So just imagine like a triangle, all right, and how the shoulders are more broad. And with the inverted triangle body type, your go-to neckline are V necklines, as this will create the illusion of narrow shoulders. So it will definitely give you more definition and less accentuating the shoulders. So keep that in mind. You definitely want to focus on V necklines. Okay, and the best clothes are skinny jeans and pencil skirts. You want to avoid layering tops when you have an inverted triangle body type. This will add too much definition to the upper body. So no to layering tops with an inverted triangle body type, but you definitely want to focus on V necklines with that body type. All right, now I hope this helps and serves as a quick guide when it comes to dressing for your body type. I shared 5 different ones. I know for me, I feel like I go between a few of the different body types depending on where I am in life. Right now, I'm more of a rectangle body type with a mix of hourglass sometimes, depending on how well I'm doing in the kitchen and in the gym, you know, so it really just depends. But just keep these tips in mind. You can always use this as a reference. Save this video. Of course, make sure you hit that bell so you can be reminded of all my new videos that are posted. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop them down in the comment section, and I will see you guys on the next video.